I got a new project for today. I want to find a way. I really like carrying this SOG, and it's just a cool knife. I really enjoy it, and I have a habit of carrying flashlights that take just regular batteries. Check it. See, regular batteries. Pretty easy little flashlight. They kind of blend, I guess. I would have went with like black or coyote or something, but everybody has that. So I like being a little bit different sometimes. And I'm gonna do some type of ring or something. I want to find a way to make this so that I can carry it every day, and I want to be able to hang my keys off the same spot, because I always find that I need my pockets free, and I get tired of clipping crap inside my pockets when I can clip it somewhere else and get to it just as fast or easier, usually. I just need my hands to be able to, if I need my pockets, you know what I mean? You ever have those experiences where you're like, man, I got too much crap in my pocket? Well, this will free up my pocket, so hopefully this works. This is just another great option to carry your knife and your flashlight. I thought it was really cool. To finish this, I've got my little D-ring here, and I couldn't decide where I wanted it, so I ended up cutting into this, and I never know where I want to go with something. And this goes both directions. You can see I've already tried it this way with the mark, but you can flip it around and put it in this way. That way, if your hands are full and you can't decide where you want it to go, you can turn it around, put it this way, turn it around, put it this way. You can back this out with your finger, just give it a little push and pull it out just like that. I've got dye all over my hand again. Another thing that was cool about this was while it's on your belt in this, because it's slipped on here, it's just got a slit in between here, so you just slide it onto your belt. Well, you can turn the light on while your belt is on, and you can shine light while you're walking. If you got your pants, your shirt tucked in. So it's just another option. So the reason why I did that is because I usually carry one of these. This is something I just made real quick one time, and I've used it for years now, and I'll still use that. But let's just say I wanted to do this and clip this on here. See what I mean? So I want to clip my keys on, carry my keys, and carry everything all in one big pile there, and then my firearm on the other side or something like that, whatever the case is. But I thought it was a pretty nifty little idea. for any of you out there that's trying to come up with some way of carrying all your EDC stuff without clogging up your pockets, this is one good way of doing that. Thank you guys for watching. God bless. Take care. Please share and subscribe if you haven't already.